A vector whose tail is at the origin and head is at v1, v2 is considered to be a position vector, or is in standard position. And a vector with its tail at the origin and head at the point v1, v2 can be called the vector v1, v2, where v1 and v2 are real numbers, and v1 is the x component of the vector, and v2 is the y component of the vector. So in this case, looks like our vector is about 1.3 in the x direction and 3 in the y direction. So this is the vector 1.3, 3, where it starts at the origin and goes to the point 1.3, 3. If we have vector v1, v2 and vector u1, u2, let's say we have two vectors, v1, v2, and u1, u2. These vectors are equal if and only if v1 equals u1 and v2 equals u2. Let's say we have this vector whose tail is at 4, 2, and head is at 6, 4. To put this vector into the standard position, we need to subtract 4 from 6. So we're subtracting x1 minus x2 to get 2. And we need to subtract 2 from 4. So y1 minus y2 to get the vector 2, 2. So now this is our vector in standard position. So to find, and now we can call this vector 2, 2. So let's say we're given a vector with a point P at, P is going to be the tail at 6, 1, and we have Q is the head at 7, 3. So to find our vector in standard position, so we're looking for the vector PQ. So we have 6 minus 7 gives us negative 1. 1 minus 3 gives us negative 2. So this is the vector negative 1, negative 2 in standard position.